19 Kids and Counting star Josh Duggar has been arrested on charges related to a raid on his used car dealership after turning himself in. Josh has been arrested, leaving his family extremely concerned. For further discussions, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any video. The 19 Kids and Counting star was taken into custody on federal charges in Washington County at 1:15 p.m. on Thursday afternoon. He turned himself in without incident according to a report by The Sun. The charges are said to be related to the 2019 Homeland Security raid on his now closed used car dealership in Springdale. In November that year, Homeland Security investigations conducted an ongoing federal investigation at the business, but no charges has been filed against the reality TV star until now. They are praying together for Josh and Anna, who is standing by her husband as she always has. Family members are extremely concerned by what is happening and they just want to find out the truth. The family is said to be worried that the news will put them in the spotlight for all the wrong reasons. The source added, the family will be speaking out shortly and hope this in many ways will bring them close together and even closer to God. Josh's arrest comes as his wife Anna is pregnant with their 7th child. Anna and the family previously stood by Josh during his sex abuse scandal in 2015. His dad Jim Bob confessed to local authorities that Josh had molested young girls while they were asleep in the Duggar family home back in 2002. The family's reality TV show 19 Kids and Counting was cancelled in the fallout from the scandal, and Josh was fired from his position and Christian lobbying group the Family Research Council. Josh addressed the allegations, claiming 12 years ago as a young teenager, I acted inexcusably, for which I am extremely sorry and deeply regret. I hurt others, including my family and close friends. So that's it in this video. Please like, comment and share the video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.